everyone, this is Crazy Weather with your news today. We are facing a very heavy snowstorm, so we really urge you to stay safe. Wow! Woo! Oh my God, it already started. Wow, it's crazy out here, people. Please protect yourself out there. Are you serious? I'm African. I need to get out of here. I don't do snow. As you can see, we're under a heavy snowstorm, so we want to make sure that everybody is safe. About 23 million people are under this snowstorm as we're speaking right now, according to CNN. So please remain safe. There are different shelters you can go to. I'm sorry. Of course, as you can see, people have already started snow fighting. It's the whole fun. We understand you want to have fun, but please remain safe as well. As you walk with us here, I will show you a little bit what it looks like jumping into the snow. As you can see, I'm fully covered all the way up to my knees. So you want to make sure that you stay safe where you are. Of course, I'm being attacked now, but it's a part of the job. So that's pretty much a good thing. But overall, you see, it is very tough to walk. If you can shovel, please do so, but remain safe as well.